Fitbod versus Gymverse versus Hevy versus Ladder. Today I'm going to show you which AI workout app wins. Each of these apps brings something different to the table, and depending on your style, goals, and equipment, one might suit you better than the others. Let's break them down in a way that makes sense whether you're completely new or already working out regularly. Starting with Fitbod, this app is built around personalized strength training. It uses your past workouts, available equipment, and recovery status to build routines that match your goals. If you enter that you have dumbbells or access to a full gym, Fitbod adapts its session to make sure you're challenging the right muscles without overtraining. It's especially strong if you want a high level adaptive workout planner that learns what you do and adjusts for you. You'll see workouts that change week to week, exercises you haven't done before, and suggested weights if you want them. That means less guesswork and more focus on the actual training. The drawback? Because everything is tailored, it might require a bit more input upfront, logging what you did, setting your equipment, and sticking to the plan. Then we have Gymverse, which brands itself as your smart coach for both gym and home settings. It offers guided plans based on your goal: muscle building, fat loss, conditioning, and available gear. You tell it your goal, how many days you want to train, and what equipment you have, and it gives you a custom block of workouts. It also provides rich visuals, videos, exercise instructions, and guidance for proper form. If you want structured workout blocks without having to pick every exercise yourself, Gymverse makes it easy and straightforward. However, it might be less adaptive in real time compared to Fitbod. You still get a solid plan, but it may not adjust on the fly based on your fatigue or recovery unless you manually tweak it. Next is Hevy, which is a bit of a different beast. Instead of full AI programmed routines, Hevy leans more into logging and tracking your workouts and progress with social features and community motivation. You can build your own routines or use community templates, log sets, reps, weights, and watch your progression over time with charts and personal records. It's excellent if you already know what you're doing and just need a tool to stay consistent and monitor your gains. But for someone wanting full AI guidance with automated workout prescriptions and built-in progression, Hevy is less hands-off compared to Fitbod or Gymverse. Finally, Ladder brings yet another angle: coach-led, team-based programs with new workouts each week designed by trainers, incrementally getting harder. You choose a team with a style or goal, and Ladder gives you a full plan. It also includes community and accountability features: chat, team feedback, syncing with devices, and structured progression. If you thrive on being guided every step of the way, having a coach voice you through workouts, and weekly changes that keep things fresh, Ladder delivers that. The trade-off is it tends to be higher cost and you're more locked into the schedule and style of your chosen team. So, which app wins? If I had to pick one overall for most people wanting an AI-powered adaptive strength builder, I'd go with Fitbod. It hits the sweet spot of automation, adaptability, and flexibility across equipment levels and goals. If you prefer highly structured, coach-driven programs and community accountability, Ladder might be the right pick. If you're just starting or working from home with limited gear and want simple guided routines, Gymverse gives you a great path. And if you're comfortable designing your own routines but want to track progress and stay motivated with the community, Hevy keeps things efficient and cost-friendly. Your best app ultimately depends on your personal style. Do you want automation or do you want coaching? Do you have equipment or training know-how? Pick the one that aligns with how you want to show up and stick with it. Consistency is still the real secret sauce behind making any of these apps work for you.